This is the easiest and fastest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you not only a step-by-step guide showing you proof of everything that I'm doing, but I'm also going to give you a checklist full of hundreds of different tools and resources that you can get paid to promote, along with done-for-you videos and emails that we write out every day that you're going to get immediate access to. Now, the best part about all of this is you can get started today for 100% free. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to go and buy a course. All of this stuff that I'm going to give you today is free. So I'm excited to share this with you. And if you're excited to learn and you want me to keep you updated with all this free stuff, do me a favor. Respond with the word yes in the comments right now. It lets me know to keep you updated. It also helps the video get more reach. So again, just do me a favor before we get started and head over to the comments and respond with the word yes right now, okay? So first of all, let's talk about what we're gonna be doing. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be using a tool to find content that's trending on the internet, and we're gonna be grabbing that content and we're gonna be using AI and ChatGPT to remake that content, and then we're gonna use an automated system to sell different products that we get paid to promote. And the best part about these products is we don't have to fulfill any of the orders, right? Because these aren't our products. We just take a cut for promoting these products, okay? So before we dive into this though, I do want you to know that none of this is guaranteed. I'm not saying you're going to become rich overnight. I'm not saying, oh, this is going to make you a millionaire. But what I am saying is a lot of what I'm going to be sharing with you today are things that I've been using in my own business that have literally made me millions and millions of dollars online. And if you follow what I'm doing, I believe that you're going to increase your chances of becoming successful. But just know that nothing in this life is guaranteed besides taxes and death. So just know that, again, do this at your own risk. And that's pretty much it. Let's dive into how this works. So first of all, we're going to grab this spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet you're going to be able to get by going to this link I'm going to put below the video. And we're going to go and enter our info and grab a 30-day trial to a software that we're going to use to sell our products. So this software is called High Level. And if you just enter your info, you get a 30-day trial. If you don't get any sales or any leads or anything inside of the tool within the first 30 days, again, just cancel it. You don't have to keep it, okay? So we're going to go over to Go High Level once we have our account. And then what we're going to do is we're going to import our snapshot. Now, the reason why this is important to do is because if we don't have a way of sending emails to people, we cannot sell products very efficiently, okay? And we want to be able to use an automated system like this to send out emails every single day to people who enter their info to learn more about the things that we're selling. So this is actually a huge sequence of emails that we've already written for you that basically sell different products. So the first product we sell is High Level. We also sell other products though as well, and you can swap out these emails to sell whatever you want. This is another affiliate product that we sell, and we're writing out emails for even more affiliate products as we speak. And every single month, basically, we update this snapshot so you can just import these into your account. Now, what is a snapshot? How do you import it? It's very simple. So what you do is you just click on Import Snapshot here, and you can import this into your account immediately, and then you get access to all of our emails and our landing pages and everything that we've already built for you, okay? Now, let me just mention that when you get the trial, right, when you're on that page that we were just at a second ago, you're going to get a couple buttons after you click the trial. So you're going to get taken to the thank you page. The first button is to a setup call. I recommend you get on the setup call because they're actually going to help you set up your account and your snapshot. So if you're brand new to High Level, you've never used it before, get on that setup call because they're going to walk you through everything you need to do to get started. And then the second thing is you're going to get the bonuses. If you click on the bonuses button, it's just going to take you to this spreadsheet. And you can see step 1, get the trial. Step 2, get the kickoff call. Now, if I click on the kickoff call, this is what's going to look like. It says start your kickoff call, 5 to 10 minutes. Again, this is completely free. They normally charge about $300 for this. And you're just going to click on this and they're going to take you to a Zoom call. Within 5 to 10 minutes, somebody's going to be on the Zoom call with you. And you're basically going to say, hey, I need to import this snapshot. I need to set up my account so I can start selling products. And then they can help you do that. Okay. So again, it's completely free when you get the trial. All right. Also, what I would recommend after you watch this video is go watch the full course. I actually just released a 3.5 hour course. What was it? 2 days ago. I guess it was 1 day ago. And this full course shows you everything I do besides just the setup with high level and what we're talking about today, because I usually do like these 20 to 30-minute videos, and then I combine them into a massive video. But this is about 5 or 6 videos combined showing you everything you need to do to set up this automated system, okay? Including outsourcing all of the work. So you can actually outsource this to somebody else in the Philippines, you know, for $2, $3, $4 an hour, and they can actually go and watch this guide and set all this stuff up for you if you don't feel like doing it. But if you do feel like doing it, then go through and watch this video, because it's going to help you fill in all the missing pieces that you're not getting in this first video, okay? So you go watch that, and then you start using our content. So this content here, you see how it says IG, this is all short form content. So what we're doing is we're taking videos that we already know have done well in the past, and then we are remaking that content in our own way. So you can see these are a lot of videos that we've posted on our own account. We're remaking those. These are videos that other people have posted, and we're remaking those. And we're doing this not just with short form content, but we're doing this also with, you know, text-based content like Twitter and images and long form content and blog posts and all kinds of stuff. And we're adding all of this in here every single month so that you can use all of this. We basically give you a license to reuse any of the content that we create for you. And I spend a lot of money. I have about 15 people on my team going and remaking this content pretty much all day, every day, so that you can just import these things into your account. So we write all your emails, we write all your videos, we write everything, and you just have to repost them. Now, I want to show you how we're actually going and getting this content. So we use a tool called Phantom Buster, which, by the way, I'll leave links to everything that we talk about in this video in the description. But Phantom Buster is really cool because, first of all, it has a free trial when you go through the link in the description. But it also is really cool because it allows you to find trending content that you don't have to go and figure out, oh, do I go and make this today? Do I go and make that today? Like, this will literally tell you exactly what to make your content on, because all we're doing is we're just going into Phantom Buster and we're taking one of their automations here, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and we're actually extracting trending content. Now, how do we do that? So let me just show you with Instagram how this works, but this is very similar for pretty much any of these other automations here. If I click on Instagram here, I can click on Instagram hashtag scraper. So here we go, hashtag search export, I believe, is that the one? Let me just type this in here, hashtag. Yes, I believe that's the one. So we're going to click on that. And then what we do is we connect to our Instagram like so, click on save, and then we type in whatever we want to find content for. So if we're going to be talking about, high level or AI or ChatGPT or any of that, we would just type in, AI, save, and then save. And this tool will begin scraping all of the content for AI, okay? And then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to start extracting information around that content. So what content has the most views, right, for the different things we're looking at, right? So let me go into our actual solutions here. These are our own dashboard. These are our own automations that we're running right now. And you can see here, we've already done this. So Instagram hashtag search export. So this first one we ran around AI and AI tools for business. And our results, we got a bunch of different posts around AI. And then what we did is we took all of those posts and we plugged them into the profile scraper. And this finds all of the top posts from all time from all of these different posts that have been made, okay? And then from there, what we're doing is we're extracting all of those top posts and we are throwing them into a spreadsheet. Now, that's just kind of a quick overview of how this works. I've actually made a full guide on Phantom Buster on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description. But if you just look up Phantom Buster, Shinify, you should be able to find it. It's like a 40-minute guide showing you how to get set up here, you can see, oh, it's about 30 minutes. Okay, so I will leave that in the description. It shows you everything you need to know to get set up with Phantom Buster, but just know that this is how we're going and finding these posts. Okay. Now, as far as the Twitter account, Twitter posts, we're doing the same thing. We're just extracting all the top tweets. So you can see this. We're sorting by like count. So these are all the top liked Twitter posts from these different accounts. And then we're doing other things as well, like finding the top blog posts with low keyword difficulty. I'll get more into this on another video. But again, all of this is just proven content to already bring in traffic, and it's already proven to work. Okay, so once we have all this proven content, now all we have to do is recreate it. Now, how do we recreate it? It's pretty simple, right? So if we go into our own tool like Shinify, we can go into AI chat and we can say, okay, remake this video, remake this email, remake this blog post. And ChatGPT will go, and because this is ChatGPT, we're just using an API to ChatGPT. And we're just having ChatGPT rewrite this stuff for us, right? So I could take a video like this one or a description or any of that, and then we're basically using ChatGPT to go and make these things unique, and then we regenerate those things, okay? That's pretty much all we're doing in a nutshell. And so we're remaking all of these things so they're unique so that you can use them, and then now you can have licensing to these different things, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. If it does, again, leave a yes in the comments. This is going to be a kind of a quick video today. I just kind of wanted to update you with what we're doing and just show you what's going on behind the scenes. Again, if you want to stay updated with all this free stuff, just respond with the word yes. And make sure you grab all of the things that we're doing for you and go check out the free full course, because I think you're going to be very happy that you did. But that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Until next time, happy money making. We'll see you next time. Bye.